In today's video, we are going to be going through the most recent and effective ways of generating income on your Instagram theme page. At least one of these points will apply to everyone watching this video, so make sure to stick around for this one. Now, thank you guys for joining me for yet another video. If you're just discovering my channel, my name is Ryan and I grow and monetize Instagram theme pages. I also wanted to put a disclaimer in this video that I'm not selling you guys a course in this video or any of my other videos. In fact, that's not me. Instead, what I ask in return for me sharing all of this free advice is that you smash the like button down below and comment some video ideas for me. The commenting part is very important because I do want to know what you guys want to see in the future from me. So yeah, now that's out of the way, let's get straight into the video now. So first of all, before you even wanting to think about monetizing your Instagram theme page, you must have hit 50,000 followers at least. Before you hit 50k, you need to be focusing on increasing your engagement and your follower count. I've actually made a separate video showing you how to increase your follower count and your engagement count, so make sure to check out that one. But let's get into the most basic ways that you can monetize your Instagram theme page. So for sure, the most basic way would be by selling shout outs. This still works to this day and it's pretty much where people are going to pay you to promote them. Most of the time you're going to find is influencers are paying you to promote them in the same niche or even other pages smaller than you. The best ways to advertise that you're actually selling shout outs is through your stories and your story highlights. This is because it won't be on your feed, so people won't be inclined to unfollow you because you're sort of spamming it with ads type of thing. And in terms of pricing your shout outs, I start off by pricing my shout outs for my theme page, which is this, at about £20. I don't sell it for really cheap, like £5, because a lot of people will be buying them then and it would just completely ruin my engagement for my page. Instead, £20 is a nice boundary because you can be charging people quite a bit, but then you don't have to spam your page in return for that. I also recommend that you reach out to a smaller page in the same niche as you to sell them shout outs. This is an effective way of getting people to buy your shout outs because definitely they want to grow their pages, but they are smaller than you. So buying a promotion from a big page like you will help. So this next one is a little more complex. The next one is affiliate marketing. This is where you are promoting someone else's product or store for a commission. You can promote it through swipe up links on stories or a link in bio, or even a carousel. A carousel is simply a swipe along post, so you've got maybe your first swipe as your main post, sort of your videos and your photos, and then the second one advertising this product. If you're doing a carousel, make sure to put in the caption to click the link in bio. This is called a call to action. This is what's going to get your viewers actually clicking a link and actually purchasing, which is going to get you your commission. I recommend that you don't do this for any less than 20% commission. It simply isn't worth it at that point. This sort of stream of revenue is a very, very passive one, so that's great for people who are more taking a passive approach to getting income on Instagram. A great affiliate marketing program is called the Plug app. People have asked me to make videos about this before. Here's a comment of someone who did. So yeah, this is pretty much, you can promote apps on there. You have to get accepted first, and once you promote the apps through your stories, your link in bio, or your feed posts as carousels, then you'll get paid a commission for every time someone downloads the apps or plays it. This is also a very passive source of income, and yeah, it can make you a lot of money. I would say this affiliate marketing is very easy money as well as shout outs. You don't really have to do a whole load to earn money from it, but remember, there are better ways of earning money. Now wait, have you guys liked the video yet? Make sure to go down below and obliterate the like button for the YouTube algorithm. This really does help my videos to be seen by a wider audience and helps my channel grow. So yeah, cheers guys. So yeah, let's get straight back into the video now. So the third way you can make money from your Instagram theme page is through dropshipping. A lot of people say that dropshipping is dead, but I have to disagree with that. I have made decent money through dropshipping in the past year, so I really disagree with that statement. I'll put a screenshot up now. This is the dropshipping business model. Pretty much you are taking a product from a Chinese distributor or seller. You are promoting it on your Instagram page and your Shopify store. So once one of the people who actually follows your Instagram page clicks the link and purchases the product, then you can ship the product all the way from your Chinese distributor to the buyer. It's a very simple business model, but it does take a while to perfect. Also remember that you need to be 18 or have your parents' permission to put it in their name for you to run a Shopify store. But this is very profitable, so if you can start it, then I would say go ahead, do it. Now the fourth method of generating income on your page would be through creating courses. This is definitely the most complex way to make money from your page, but it is a very profitable one. You can actually sell courses teaching people something that they like to learn. The best niches for this, it would be the fitness and the business niche. This is because people are wanting to learn things in these niches. For example, people always want to learn how to get fit and gain money. Therefore, if you can sell them a course doing that, you can actually generate a lot of money from that. So if you would like to see a video of me going through and actually selling a course on one of my pages, then feel free to comment it down below. Now the final way you can actually monetize your page, which is recent to Instagram, is through creating a brand. People don't use this a lot, but you can actually create a brand around your page and sort of the niche you're in. For example, the niche I'm in, which is cars, I can create a apparel about cars. This is a great example because if I created a clothing line about cars and all them sort of things, this would sell well. And I can also get free promotion from my Instagram page to promote this. And if you are looking to scale your sort of online business, you could also purchase shoutouts from other pages in the same niche as you to promote your brand. So as you can tell, this is a very hard way to sort of go around it, but it definitely is the most profitable, I think, long term anyway. So let's go back and recap on all of our points. First of all, selling shoutouts easy, simple, and it's free to do. Secondly, affiliate marketing is where you're promoting someone else's products and earning a commission from it. This is very easy to do, as you can just put a link in your bio or a link in your swipe up story and you can generate a passive income from it. I also wanted to remind you a great affiliate program is the Plug app, so check that out. I'm not affiliated by it, but it's a great way to earn money from your page. The third way is dropshipping. This is one of the most profitable, and I think, in my opinion, the best. Is because you can earn the most money from it and the startup fee is not a load. Shopify subscription to sort of start it is on a 14-day free trial period. So you don't have to pay after 14 days. So if it's not profitable within those 14 days, you can cancel and not pay a penny. But the subscription afterwards, if you do make money, is $29 US per month or £21 per month roughly. So take that into account when you're thinking about things. The fourth way would be selling courses. This is definitely one of the most complex ways, but it could make you a lot of money if you're doing it in the right niche. For example, the fitness and business niche will sell you the most. And the final way I just discussed is building a brand around your page. This will definitely be the most profitable way to make money, but it is definitely a long stretch to do. But if you can achieve that and persevere and sort of get the motivation to build a brand, you'll make a lot of money. So guys, thank you for staying so far into this video, but I have only noticed that about 10% of my viewers are actually subscribed. So if you wouldn't mind going down below and smashing the subscribe button for me, I'd be very appreciative of that. You can always unsubscribe if my content is not good enough for you. And last but not least, please feel free to go down below and smash the like button for YouTube algorithm. This does help my videos to be promoted to a wider audience and grow my channel. Also, feel free to check out my previous video by staying to the end of this one. Yeah guys, I'll see you around. Cheers.